In many cities across America, piggy bank abuse is on the rise. Emergency funds are at risk as irrational use of these rainy day funds grow. Many piggy banks feel endangered and are seeking protection from reckless spenders who have fallen weak to temptation and threaten to pound piggies over non-critical items. But why? As it turns out, inflation has led to many shoppers noticing a decrease in their disposable income as shoppers senselessly search for extra money to squander. Protect your emergency funds. Avoid spending emergency funds on impulse shopping, entertainment, home remodeling, and investment, and deals that are too good to be true usually are. Save your emergency funds for unforeseen life events such as sudden auto repairs, home repairs, or medical emergencies. An insider speaks out against the useless spending and piggy bank abuse.
It's scary to see the shoppers lose control. It hurts me to see my piggy pals get pulverized over frivolous spending. And for what? Baseball tickets, girls' night out, or to catch a sale at Target? These emergency funds are truly in jeopardy.
You may ask, how can we end piggy bank abuse? Well, only use emergency funds for critical events. Say no to impulse shopping and entertainment. Say yes to saving for urgent repairs and medical emergencies. Protect your emergency funds by tracking your income and expenses. Create a budget. That way you can add those season tickets to your budget. But keep contributing to your emergency fund. Emergency funds are not there for irrational spending. Your piggy bank is there to protect you. So be patient and protect your piggy bank. Thanks for watching. This has been a broadcast of the GGP Life, a Gold Star Global production.